everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the storage capacity on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet with a micro SD card. And this is very easy to do. So if I flip over my tablet, there's going to be a little slot right here that I have to peel back this plastic from. And when I do that, it's going to expose a micro SD slot. So I can take my SD card and I can simply put it in. So let's slide it in and then push it down. And then you need to click it in so it's level with the side of the Fire HD tablet. Then put the cover back on and go back to your Fire tablet. Then scroll down from the top and it says unsupported storage. So let's select this. Now you do have two options. On the top you have use as internal storage. Extend the internal storage of your tablet using your micro SD card. Please note that your micro SD card no longer will work on other devices. Then you have the bottom, transfer files between devices. Transfer files and media between your tablet and other devices. Please note some media such as movies, music, or books that is copyrighted from apps may not transfer between devices. So you have your two options right here and you can pick which one. So I'm going to be downloading a bunch of apps and games on my SD card. So I'm going to format it as internal storage and then go to format. Now it's formatting the device. Okay, since it's formatted now, it says move content to SD card. Alright, you can move it later or you can move it right now. So I'm going to go to move content. It says moving content right now. During this move, don't remove the storage device. Alright, so my card is ready for use. Let's go to done. Let's go on down to settings now. Select this. Then go to storage. Now under here it says move data to SD card. And then if you have any apps available to move over to your SD card, it will display right here. This is currently grayed out because I don't have any applications that I've downloaded on this really yet. It's all just the default applications. But if there's any apps available, it will display right here. And then you can easily move it to your SD card storage and free up the internal storage on your Fire HD tablet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.